Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering on and readying both devices. Put the JBL Tune 510BT into pairing mode by holding the power button until the LED flashes. This signals discoverable mode. On your laptop, open Bluetooth settings and make sure Bluetooth is enabled so the computer can scan. Once done, allow a brief pause for the laptop to list nearby devices. Make sure nothing else is connected to the headset because active connections prevent discovery and will block pairing attempts. You'll now perform the pairing action on the laptop. Click Add Bluetooth or other device and choose Bluetooth so the scan begins. When you see JBL Tune 510BT appear, select it and confirm any prompts. This exchanges the security handshake and creates the trusted connection. If the laptop requests a PIN, try 0000 or 1234. Most headsets use those. Once paired, the laptop will show connected status. Make sure the device is set as the default audio output for system sounds and apps to route audio correctly. Complete the setup by selecting JBL Tune 510BT as the default playback and communication device in your laptop sound settings so audio and mic routes properly. Test with music and a video call. Adjust volume on both the headset and laptop to avoid distortion. If audio cuts or the laptop won't connect, remove or forget the JBL entry, restart Bluetooth or reboot the laptop. Then reinitiate pairing. This clears stale profiles. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode for a few seconds to reset wireless stacks if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.